Okay, as you can see here, we have language plus. Now you have A, B, C, D, E, F, and you have sentences and picture describing them. Now, the question is, complete each sentence with an idiom shown. Be sure to put each idiom in the correct tense. Now here you have be in another word, carry the weight of the words on one's shoulders. Those are idioms if you are familiar with them. Be on top of the word, be words apart, and the words is one's oyster, where in the world. You're going to read the sentences here and choose the correct idiom that goes with the sentence and the meaning of the sentence. Okay, so 6 idioms and you have 6 sentences. But maybe you have to change the tense of the idiom in order to go with the sentence. If the sentence was in the past or maybe in the present, so you're going to change it according to that. Okay? Okay, I will give you 2 minutes to think and then we're going to see together. Now let's see. Now, in number 1, I just cannot find my glasses. And then, could they be? What do you think? You can participate in the chat. Yes, thank you, Maria. Where in the world? So I just can't find my glasses. Where in the world could they be? Where in the world could they be? Very good. Just let me write it down. Number 2. After Jim won the tennis championships, he and then a blank. What do you think that is? Yes, Maria, he was on top of the world. Very good. Now we changed the tense according to the tense that we have here in sentence 2. The tense that we have in sentence 2 is in the past symbol. That's why we're going to say he was on top of the world when he won. So he was on top of the world. Other people. Number 3. What do you think? Okay, so Dan and Warren have different views on everything. They are worlds apart. Very good. When we say that they are worlds apart, it means that they are very different. So it's an expression or an idiom that we use. Very good. Thank you, Rahaf and Rafif and Bayader. They are worlds apart. Number 4. You need to stop worrying and quit what? You need to stop worrying and quit what? When someone worries so much, they tell him an idiom. They use an idiom to describe that.
Carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders.
Yes, very good. Thank you. So how we're going to write that? Say it again, please. Carrying.
Carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders.
Yes. Carrying the weight of the world on one shoulder. Some of these idioms, we use them in Arabic, like the ones that when two people, they are two words apart. I think we use them also in Arabic. Number 5. Frank is so happy with his success, he doesn't seem aware of anything else. It's like he. Yes, thank you,
Is
Mariam.
another word.
Yes, thank you, Rima. It's like he is in another world. And also the tense that we have here is in the present. That's why also we're going to complete the sentence in the present. He is in another world. Excellent. He graduated at the top of his class. He can do anything he wants with his life. So the world is his oyster. I like this idiom. The world is his oyster. Thank you, Maria and Rafif. Bayadir, thank you. I think it's very easy exercise. Done? Done writing. Can I erase it? Done writing the Thalet. Can I erase it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now here we have the writing. It's the last thing in the expansion units. Tools for writing commonly confused words. Fewer and less have the same meaning. They are both the opposite of more. If you are familiar, the meaning of fewer and less means what? Not the same, which is fewer, but not the same, which is more also. However, fewer is used with count nouns. Pay attention to that. The nouns that I can count, countable nouns, and less is used with non-countable nouns like sugar, rice, anything that I cannot count. Fewer people are buying, this is an example, fewer people are buying newspaper than ever before. Since the new police chief took over, there has been less crime in our city. So as you can see, less was with non-countable nouns and fewer is with countable nouns. Now, further is used to talk about distance, while further is used to mean additional. So pay attention to that. Farther, which is what? About distance, which is further away, that is, it's all about distance. While further, it's used to mean additional. Now, this is an example. Most Arabian bred horses can run faster and farther than English what bred horses. So farther, it means away or more than them. I'm going to call the school to get further information, more information. You see, further, more information about the program. Okay, one letter different, but it changed the meaning. It's just the A and the U. You see the A and the U. Now we're going to complete each sentence with the correct commonly confused word. Okay, what do you think? Is it? We're going to complete with fewer or less, farther or further. Now let's see. Do you want to have some time?
Yes.
Okay. Then, shall we start? Okay, number one, the invention of the microwave made it possible to cook meals in blank time. What do you think?
Less.
Yes, let's thank you, Rahaf, and thank you, Maria, Sarah, Rafif, Rima, and Bayadr for less time. So here we're going to consider time as non-countable noun. Number two, I make blank grammatical mistakes than I used to. Yes, yes, thank you. Fewer grammatical mistakes. And as you can see, this is a countable noun, so I'm going to use fewer. Excellent. Number three, I don't want to discuss this any what?
Farther.
Yes, further. Thank you, Rahab. Further. Thank you, Sarah, Maria, and Bayadir. So I don't want to discuss this any further anymore. That's the meaning of that. I think it's very easy. What do you think, Talib? It's a new thing for us. Okay. Now in this writing prompts, pay attention please. Writing an expository essay about a common device or technology. Write about the history of that technology and make predictions how you think the technology will change in the future. Any kind of technology, whether it's the iPhone that we use, because the iPhone have changed through the years. Remember the first iPhone and now what kind of iPhone that's the company produced, so it has changed, and of course we think that it's going to change in the future, so maybe you can use that. Any technology. Include grammar points from units 1, 2, and 3. Now we got many grammatical points from the units from 1 to 3. You can use them. In unit 3 we talked about the future, and when you talk about the technology in the future, use the grammar that we got, the future perfect. Okay, maybe by the time that we are grown, or maybe by the time that we are very old, you can use that. Okay, now write your essay. Decide on the type of device or technology you will write about. This is number one. And then use a chart to organize your ideas. Write the topic, or write your topic at the top, and then write your ideas about the past, present, and future of the device or technology. Yani, you're going to choose a technology, talk about it in the past, how is it now, and how it's going to be in the future. You see, this chart is for you to help you. Write a draft for your essay, or maybe if you're very good, you don't need a draft, and have a partner read and comment on your draft. We don't need that, just write your essay. Now, those are things to develop your essay. How you're going to develop your essay? Developing your writing, rewriting techniques. Rewriting is an important first step in the writing process. Rewriting helps you explore and gather your ideas before you begin organizing. Rewriting is when you think, or when you have a piece of paper that's empty and then you write everything that comes in your mind. Maybe if you draw a big circle that has the topic in it and then comes with everything, write everything that comes in your mind. Like, I have an idea, Thalith, and please share me your opinion. I think that if you want to have this writing as homework, then it's okay. If you're going to make the class, tomorrow's class, as a writing class, which means that you're going to write in the class and you're going to show me what you have written. How you're going to show me? Do you see if you're using your phone, or maybe if you're using your laptop, you can share the content and you can show me the things that you have. Just a minute. I will show you something. I'm going now to come to our class here and I will show you something. Maybe tomorrow you can see the class, you can, sorry, attend the class, but by your phone. So let's say that now I'm going to attend the class by my phone and I'm going to share the content. Okay, just a minute. I have to stop sharing. Mm, can you see? Now I shared something in my phone. I attend the class with my phone and I shared something with my phone. Now you can do that. What my idea is, if we take the class of tomorrow as a writing class, you have all of you to show me what you have written. How? By attending the class, only the class. Attend this class with your phone, and then maybe you can write it down in your. You can write the writing in a paper, and then just take a picture and then show me. This is the picture, by the way. Okay. So maybe you just after you're done writing, or maybe you can write it in your notes, and then just take a screenshot and also show it to us. So we will have many windows of your writings, and then we're going to see it together, and we change the routine of the class. What do you think, Thalith? Or maybe you want it as a homework, and tomorrow we just start with Unit 4. Tell me your opinion.
No, but like, can we send it to you and can you like put it on the share screen? The photo, I mean, and we
I
can
think
talk about.
it would be easier if you share the screen. I don't know. I think this is easier.
No, I meant I send the pictures to you in your email.
You mean that when you rewrite it before?
Like I write it on a paper, like you said, the essay, right? You mean
Yes, but not.
I write it on paper?
Yes, but not during the class. I think it will take time for you to
Yeah,
start.
not during the class, no.
Before, you
Not
mean?
during, before, and then I'll send the pictures to you
Okay,
on the
that's
email.
okay. Yes, if
That's
it
fine.
suits you, yes, it's okay, Ragad.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Huh, Thalis, what do you think? Okay, I will say it again.